Okay. Come on. Oh, whoa, good one.
Taylor. Are you skateboarding? Hey.
Are you skateboarding, Mommy?
Are you skateboarding?
No, Taylor is.
Say, not anymore.
No, you're not.
I contributed, but I don't do the rest of it. That's okay. You contributed greatly.
Taylor, are you skateboarding? There's Mama. Say happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Hey.
Right. I got work tomorrow. I don't want to go. I'll have your wish. Right? I would love to go if it was what it was. Yeah. Now, you know, it's to the point now. It's just going to be illegal. Okay, I'm trying. Yeah. Ready? It will be a big deal.